Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Belle, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks won last night against the Ducks with a score of 6-2. There are no announcements for today. Clubs meeting today are Yoga Club will meet at 11:35 in room 213. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Puzzle Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 101. Battle of the Books, grades 3 and 4 will meet at 8 a.m. in room 202. And now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, and happy Wednesday! I am so excited to see all of your smiling faces this morning, especially with that sunshine outside. I'm sure we're going to have such a wonderful day. I first wanted to share some celebrations. I have some Spirit Wear winners that I'm going to pick, so as soon as announcements are over, you can head to the office and get your prize. Are we ready? All right, we have Hamzu from 202, Barbie from 202. Uh-oh, I might need to shake these up just a little bit. Get some other classes in here. Mira from 107, and one more. Alejandra from 207. Congratulations to our Spirit Wear winners. And then we also have our Spirit Wear winners for our class. Are you guys ready? Can you all do a drum roll in your class for me? All right, the class winner for Spirit is Mrs. Dacus's room. Congratulations. So as soon as announcements are over, you can send a representative to the office. My other celebration is a champion for kindness that we caught yesterday. We saw some amazing friends being really good champions for kindness to other peers, helping them to make good choices throughout the day and giving them the encouragement that they needed to make those good choices and to have a good day themselves. So thank you for being good friends to each other and champions for kindness and really supporting your peers. That was so great to see. All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. Mrs. Fry, have a weird all Wednesday.